Your calendar and schedule are at the heart of your practice. In Halaxy, you can run your whole practice right from your calendar, because all you need to do is add an appointment and Halaxy automatically handles everything for you. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up availability, manage your calendar, book appointments, and let patients book online, all within Halaxy. Once your schedule is set up, Halaxy helps your day run smoothly. Before you start booking appointments, the first step is to set your availability. Click on Personal, then Locations. Your availability is managed through your hours profile and booking preferences, as demonstrated in the Getting Started video. Here, you can set regular working hours for each practitioner, adjust availability by location, and you can have multiple sets of schedules depending on their rosters or availability. This tells your Halaxy calendar when you're working, where you're working, and when appointments can be booked. Your availability controls your online bookings later, so once this is set up, scheduling becomes much easier. Click on the Halaxy logo to head over to your calendar. The calendar is your home, where your schedule comes together. From here, you can see your day, week, month, or upcoming appointments at a glance. On the top left, you can navigate and adjust the calendar view to specific days, weeks, or months. You can also adjust your calendar zoom. On the top right, you can switch between different practitioners or locations if you have multiple. Click on the cogwheel to customize your calendar preferences. This allows you to select your time zone, display specific times, days and appointments, and customize what information to show on appointments. Click Save. The calendar gives you a real-time overview of your practice, helping you stay organized and in control of your day. Let's create an appointment. All you need to do to create an appointment is select a time on the calendar, add a patient and a fee. Click Save, and you've got your appointment. You can also block out time for practice closures, public holidays, meetings, or personal appointments in time, helping you protect your availability and avoid double bookings. Click the specific date and time you want to block out. Click the Personal tab. Add a title, duration, location, and any other details if necessary. Save your personal appointment by clicking Save. Other than that, you can add an event, set custom hours on specific dates, search, print, or even sync to your external calendars. You can easily move appointments by dragging them to a new date and time. To edit appointment details at any stage, click the appointment, then click the pencil icon to make the changes. Click Save to apply the changes. To cancel appointments when needed, simply click the cross button instead, allowing you to cancel or delete the appointment entirely. From the appointment, you can quickly access the patient's profile, the appointment note, the invoice, and the patient's past or future appointment. Online booking allows patients to book their own appointments, saving time for both you and your practice. You stay in control by choosing which appointment types are available and when patients can book. Let's head back to Personal, then Locations. Next to Online Booking and Profile Preferences, click the pencil icon. On the left, you can customize what to show in your Halaxy directory profile. On the right, tick Enable for online bookings. Here, you can customize your online booking settings to suit your needs. You can customize this even further by setting up fees and appointment types for each service you offer. More on this in our help guide. Once saved, you can share your booking link directly with patients. Head to Personal, then Profile. Click Directory Profile Preferences. You can use these links to share with patients or embed them directly on your website. From the patient's perspective, online booking is simple, clear, and they can only book appointments that match your availability and preferences. Your calendar is the foundation of your workflow in Halaxy. Whenever you make an appointment, Halaxy automatically connects everything else for you: invoice, clinical note template, patient record, reminders, reports, and payments. All you need to do is make a booking, and Halaxy handles the rest, so you can focus solely on treating patients.